Hey everyone, welcome back to the episode 2 of AI Weekly Updates. And let's just start with the module updates. So, OpenAI has a busy week. They launched two new previews like ChatGPT 4o preview and ChatGPT 4o real time preview. These two models bring more advanced audio and real time capabilities to their AI lineup. OpenAI also upgraded Codex. It can now access the internet to install dependencies, run tests, and update packages. But don't worry, this feature is off by default and limited for ChatGPT Plus users only. On the security side, OpenAI blocked 10 covert influence campaigns, including 4 from China's that tries to misuse ChatGPT for propagandas. Other updates include MCP support for a new meeting notes features for ChatGPT, which should help the collaborations and automations. Moving on to ElevenLabs, they dropped Conversational AI 2.0, which include powerful new voice agent tools. They also launched 11v3 Alpha, a text-to-speech model that supports over 70 plus languages, with better emotional tone and even non-verbal sounds. Mistral joined the coding days with Mistral Code, which includes several tools like Codex and Devastral. It supports over 80 programming languages and work with JetBrains and VS Code in private beta. DeepSeek rollout and update code R10528, but details are still under wraps. Play Diffusion's release an open source model that let you edit part of your speech while keeping the rest intact. Meanwhile, Shakana AI introduced something pretty futuristic, the Darwin Golden Machine, a self improving AI agent. And Google launched a preview of Gemini 2.5 Pro, which comes with deeper reasoning and faster image and video generation using something called DeepThink. On the business side, we saw a ton of movement. First up, the New York Times and Amazon signed a major AI content deal. No full detail yet, but it's likely about automating content creation or distribution. Apple announced an AI powered shortcut app coming at WWDC 2025, focused on smart task automation. Samsung revealed that its upcoming Galaxy S26 will ship with Perplexity AI app pre-installed. Meta is replacing thousands of human moderators with AI system that raising some debates around trust and transparency. They also launched Aria Gen 2 glasses which are expected to include AI features. Perplexity AI launched Labs, a workflow hub for pro users, and revealed they handle around 780 million queries just in May. Character.AI introduced Avatar effects, which animate AI chat persona into full videos. Microsoft released Pinch Video Creator using OpenAI Sora to turn text into videos and launched a new Dev proxy tools to track LLM usage and cost. And finally, Dell appointed Manish Gupta as a president of Dell India and is now working with Nvidia to build an AI factory for Elon Musk's XAI growth model. And it's a wrap up on the AI updates for the first week of June 2025. From big tech move to powerful new models, the pace of innovation is not slow down anytime soon. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more weekly breakdowns. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment sections, and we will see you in the next week for another AI recap.